Dumelang, welcome to another episode of Unscripted. My name is Mathawe Matsapola, and today, for real, we're going to be getting the truth. Nothing else but the truth. From the one and only, Vusi Nova.
Hey!
Manyanya.
Yes, that's the new one. That's the new one.
Yes, and it's only been out for a week.
Right.
I understand that it's already gone gold. How did that happen? In a week?
Hey, it's God's grace, man. I feel blessed. When I heard as well, I was like, what? I mean, it's only been a week. So how that happened, it's the grace of God, and just people loving and relating to the music. Yeah.
Do you think it's because in the album you're talking, it's personal, it's a personal album,
yeah.
You're talking experiences?
You know what? It's personal. It's honest. If you remember, my previous album, Naninina, was about my relationship of 5.5 years that ended. So this one is a continuation of that. It's sort of like me updating my fans where my headspace is right now and what's happening in my life at the moment.
Can you update us? What happened in that relationship? What was the cause of the breakup?
It's a number of things, but the one that just sealed the deal for me to just say, you know what, I can't carry on anymore. Just the dishonesty, Once dishonesty visits your relationship, there's no turning back from that. Once umuntu, and I believe this as well, once umuntu shows you their true colors the first time, believe them, so that you don't get to a point where you're in my situation, for example, where you last 5.5 years. It's very hard to break up with someone after such a long time, and that's why I think, we broke up almost 2 years ago, but I'm still battling with it because I was head over heels.
Were the plans maybe to get married?
Well, it was probably going to get to that because serious.
I understand that you're single now. Are you looking?
Always, man.
Always looking.
Always. I am not the kind of, and I know that type of single doesn't work for me.
But have you been single for 2 years since the breakup?
I tried dating at least 2 different people, but it just didn't work.
You've been in the music industry for a while now.
Yeah.
You had your own up and downs.
Sure. What
has been your lows?
Oh, a lot of those as well. I battle with the whole fame thing.
Are you still battling with it?
Yeah, I battle with it.
How can you give us a picture? How are you battling with being
I think
famous?
I'm a loner. I love my space. I love my space, and with fame comes the whole thing of having no privacy. And for me, I battle a lot.
Let's go back to your music.
Yeah.
In this particular album, Manyanya, Your Truth, which song is your favorite?
That's not fair.
Did you write all the songs?
I co-wrote some of the songs. So there's a song I wrote, for example, with Suid-Afrika from the Soil, called Ndisakulinda.
Who are you waiting for? Are we waiting for the one who ran away, or we're waiting for somebody?
No, so that song just talks about how I promised myself that I'd wait for my ex now to get to a point where and whatever, and I waited, but the heart just got to my heart, not even me, but my heart just got to a point where it was like, I'm done. So that's what the song is about. So I co-wrote that song with Zika. There's another song I co-wrote with Sahara. There's another one I co-wrote with Kilikumalo. And another one I co-wrote with 047.
There are a lot of collaboration
in this album.
In this particular album.
Yes.
Do you think maybe that's also the reason why it went gold in a week?
Probably, you know, I think another thing that I was trying to show people is that, you know, we need to be one. We need to help each other out. What is artists? I feel like sometimes artists pretend a lot, you know. And I was just trying to show unity.
I understand you're a great cook.
Yeah.
He doesn't only have the great voice, but he also cooks. Your favorite dish?
Again, I've got quite a few, man. I love spaghetti. You know, anything with spaghetti, mint spaghetti, anything with let me see, what else do I love? I love my shanks as well. You know, I love my meat. I love, shank, oxtail.
I mean, your face lights up as you're talking about
food, guys. Food.
It's lighting up. Thinking, food. Are we looking at Chef Vusi? Are we getting?
Who knows, man?
That was Vusi Nova's truth. You can also have your truth. Thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you so much for having me, my darling.